Today's plan, downpipes.
Yeah.
These actually look really nice.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, I should have brought my oxygen sensor socket.
Ooh.
I was gonna grab, yeah, they'll probably have one, but those are going on this puppy.
Ready?
Yep. You want to take this? We're gonna fit everything in here?
In here? I think it'll all fit.
Yeah, let's do it. We'll make it work. You been playing soccer? A little bit?
Not recently.
Ooh, the backfire. How many miles did they put on this car? 8,000? This thing is still on.
Yeah, I know.
I forgot my mask, but then Spencer gave me his mask and was like, oh, just go buy some masks before we go in. And then I realized I forgot my wallet, so he had to give me his wallet too. But I got him. Like one of these?
Yeah, maybe.
What comes in it? This is like what I have at home.
Yeah.
Should we get it?
Yeah. You bought that same set?
Yeah, my dad got it for me.
Fine.
Perfect. 210. Once we start, then we're gonna realize 10 things we needed.
Oh, I'm sure. Let's get a freaking set.
Yeah, that'd work. Probably just use like these ones or something, but there's a bunch in it.
Exactly.
They'll need it anyways.
That one's just on there.
Yeah.
Thing says 25 pounds. Yeah, bro.
Good boy. Look at these lids. I've never seen these for a Bigfoot. It's good, it's just not the same. Like, I need to draw it. How girls do shopping hauls, we can do a Harbor Freight haul.
Yeah.
This is a before clip before the downpipes go in. Give me some. Ooh. I'm excited to see what happens. Now it's sport mode. Ooh. Ooh, those burbles. That actually sounds really good.
Yeah. All right. Should we throw those ramps up?
Go sub. That scared the hell out of me. Tell me that's not a brown recluse. Ooh. Guys, I swear it looks 10 times bigger in real life. And I'm gonna put the wasted over it. KO. And we're up. I'm glad we got these. This is gonna be easy. Well, make it easier. I don't think this is gonna be easy.
Sure. Nicer to use than jack stands.
Yeah, definitely. The amount of panels under this car is insane. First thing we're gonna do is pop these covers off so we can get this heat shield off. And then there's one right below we need to get off, and then we can get to those downpipes. Made a little store run to get these wrenches, and now we're back in business. These bolts on the heat shield are kind of weird to get to. Couldn't get a socket down there.
Yeah.
Made a little bit of progress, so we got the oxygen sensors disconnected from down there and pulled them up and coming off the car. We probably need to take this heat shield off, but we're gonna wait and see if we can get around from doing that, just because these bolts down here are super hard to get to.
I think we're ready to
See if we can
cut on the bottom side.
Yeah. We're gonna start cutting the old ones out. I'm gonna cut right above the cat. I'll show you. So we're gonna cut right above the cat, try to get in here with it so we can slide him out from up there. You think I can land a kickflip for the vlog?
No.
No?
No.
Let's see it. I got it, for sure, hold on. Dude, I'm gonna do this till I land it. It's gonna happen.
Dude, we got downpipes that need to go in, man.
One more. Okay, later. He's finishing right now, but almost got both cats on the bottom of the downpipe cut off. So then we can remove it from the exhaust side, and then it frees up a lot of space. So what that will do is allow us to get our hands up in there so we can get the secondary oxygen sensor. And then once we get that out, we can finish pulling the downpipes off. Got some DoorDash real quick. Look at that. Yeah, Qdoba or Chipotle? What's better? Tell me in the comments. Vlog update. I'm feeling pretty defeated. We didn't even finish the uninstall tonight. We still got one downpipe still halfway in because half of it's cut off, but we still can't get it off, and we need to do some more cutting, but we've broken every single Sawzall blade and there's no room for a cutting disc, so we have to wait till tomorrow. And everything's closed. So I'm gonna resume tomorrow and hopefully we can get it done. As much as we hate to say it, this has gone into day 2.
It hasn't.
So we're at AutoZone right now to get some NICs for the O2 sensors, grab some Starbucks, and then
Have it done in an hour.
oh yeah. Finally! I think that's our biggest success yet.
Definitely.
Got the old ones out. Ended up disconnecting the steering column and just swinging it out of the way, something we should have done 6 hours ago. Now we need to figure out how these go and the best way to put them in. Assume this is the driver's side one.
Yeah. How it snakes around that steering.
Yeah. Well, actually, no, this is the passenger side because of the way the bracket is. It would have to be.
It has to be. That's
Yeah. That's why that one's in 2 pieces. So we got the top section of the downpipes in, and then we just unwrapped the bottoms and we found this. A huge dent. We're gonna go try to find an exhaust shop on 99 to see if they can stretch it out for us. I feel like that's our best bet and to get it looking the best. I don't really want to try to straighten this myself and then mess it up even more. Can I see the exhaust?
Yeah.
All straightened up, way better than it was. Hell yeah. Now we're chilling. Ooh, there's a Mustang behind me. Do we see if he wants to smoke? He's coming up. I don't think he wants it.
No.
See ya! Red Bull, sponsor me, please. It'll be your best sponsorship you ever had. I'll bring in so many customers. Let's just slip it on and finish it up real quick.
Yeah, give me a minute.
Just 1 minute and fire it right up. Finally time to fire it up. We're not gonna put the shields under the car yet or button up everything on top, just because we want to start it, run the car, see if there's any exhaust leaks, make sure it sounds right, and then we'll finish. Now is the time.
There's shavings all over my back.
Yeah, just take off your jacket. All right, let's hear it. gonna go under there real quick and just check, just to make sure it's not leaking.
Cold start sounded good.
Yeah, it did. I need to take a video for my dad. Holy! I'm so excited to go for a ride.
The highest I went was 3,000 RPM.
No way.
Yeah.
That was only 3 grand. All done. Heat shields are on. Now all we got to do is put the bottom covers on and then we can go for a test drive.
Yes, sir. Let's do it. See if we can do it with the jack on.
I think it slides into the...
Good go and you broke it.
It was already broken, I swear to God. Do you see how easily that did that? Dude, you saw how fucking easily that happened. I got that.
You wanna
I'm sorry.
drop it?
Yeah.
I don't know what's gonna happen.
I can finally take these coveralls off and leave them off. Move my car so we can bring the AMG for a test ride. I have so many metal shavings on me. Look at that. That's nasty. I don't play soccer. That's crazy. You can hear this turbo spool now. The moment we've all been waiting for. All 2 of us.
Yeah, all 2 of us.
You can just immediately, it just changes the car. Ooh, nice little burble. Dude, that sounds amazing. I love how fast this car shifts. It's way better than mine. It's 10 years newer, but still. Oh my God, the backfires.
Damn, that sounds really good.
This changed the car. Makes the car feel way more raw.
Definitely. Completely changed the sound.
Yeah. Dude, oh my God, that sounds sick. What?
Thanks, brother.
Oh yeah. Like this video right now if you want to see us race.
Mercedes versus BMR.
Hell yeah. Or comment who you think will win.
We gotta wait for the tune though.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
That's not fair. Take it easy. Give me some.
Thanks, brother.
Yep, I'd say that's a success.
Yeah.
Well, that's it for today's video. Well, today and yesterday's video. If you guys enjoyed, please drop a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Dude, I only have 5% left, but I just realized I never landed the kickflip. We have to make it happen. 5%.
On that?
No. I gotta ride this to get to the other hotel.
Dude, it's got longboard wheels on it.
So?
I'm trying to help you out by giving you an excuse.
Oh. Yeah, it has longboard wheels on it, bro. That counts.
Nice.